What's up guys, Techie Tech Guy here. Previously we heard that the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra's overall dimensions will essentially stay the same, which means the screen size, thickness, and battery size will all be similar to the previously released devices. Presently, we have more information about Samsung's design strategy for the Galaxy S23 Ultra, including information about the layout of the back camera system and the sides of the curved screen. Beginning with the curved screen, Ice Universe shared this image on Twitter comparing the top views of the S23 Ultra and S22 Ultra. As you can see, the display isn't as assertively curved as the S22 Ultra, and the sides are a little flatter this time. This increases the amount of screen space available for the S Pen, which is useful for taking notes or sketching, but some may prefer the curved display. A curved screen also gives the appearance of being thinner than it actually is, which is another benefit. The S23 Ultra will continue to be the same thickness, but due to the less noticeable curves, it will now appear slightly thicker. However, design is a very personal thing, and we know many of you don't like these curved panels, so we suppose it's great news for some of you. Regarding the rear camera setup, Ice Universe is absolutely certain that the S23 Ultra will keep the same design as the S22 Ultra. This is a wise choice, in our opinion, as it is the most attractive camera setup available. It's nice that they are going to stick with the same design, though it's possible that the new 200 megapixels sensor will result in larger lenses. If you're curious, the S23 Ultra's rear camera will have a 200 megapixels primary camera, a 10x periscope zoom camera, a 3x telephoto camera, and an ultra-wide camera. The rest will remain the same, excluding the primary camera. Having said that, here is what many consider to be a major design blunder by Samsung. You see, Samsung recently unveiled the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, which has unquestionably the longest battery life among recent mass-market smartwatches. Samsung also unveiled a brand new D-buckle strap band, which also has a great appearance. But this band has a serious flaw. Because the watch will never be able to touch the back of a phone or charger because it is forever elevated as a result of this new strap design, you are unable to use the reverse wireless charging feature or even a wireless duo charger. The regular Watch 5 does not have this issue. Now, you might be wondering how Samsung could make such a ridiculous design error. That's because there was never a mistake to begin with. The band will sit properly enough to charge if you simply press it against the hinge. You can also simply turn the band inside out, as per this demonstration. Many people, including some major websites, are calling this a major design blunder, and Samsung bears some of the blame for this because they failed to inform their customers about the change. Anyway, please share your opinions below, and I'll see you soon. Till then, take care and peace out.